What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark here with Team Profit Over Wages. We really get paid, not going through the phases. And today, I will be talking to y'all about network marketing. I will be giving you guys 7 tips on what you should know before starting network marketing, or what you should know even if you are already a part of network marketing and not having success with it, or just not being able to have the results that you want to have. So my 7 steps that I learned. First, I want to say I am Mark. For those who do not know me, I am Mark. I am a network marketer. I've been doing it for a while now, and I learned these things as I went through my journey of network marketing. These are the steps that I want to help people understand before jumping into it, because I didn't have anybody coaching me. I didn't have anybody sponsoring me. Even though in some of these opportunities you have people who say, yeah, I'm your sponsor, I'm gonna show you this, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Once you sign up, they go ghost, and that is where I was left, and I just didn't have nobody to turn to other than YouTube, which is a powerful tool. You can search anything you want to search. But the first tip that I want to give you guys is basically the mindset. You have to have the mindset to be able to do network marketing. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot look at an opportunity and have any type of doubt and expect to join it and make money with it. You have to think about an opportunity like a relationship. If you have somebody, you always doubting them, you talking bad about them, or you just don't think they're worthy, they're not gonna give back to you. They're not gonna give you their all. Same with money, same with opportunities. You have to look at money and opportunities at a way where you love them. It's gonna love you back. You give to them, your business is gonna give back. Give to money, give your money out, it comes back around. You have to love and cherish the stuff that you get into. So do not join an opportunity that you know is not for you. And how can you know it's not for you? Before you join, do a little research, pray, ask God. And the way I do it is I get some information. If somebody sends me some information, even if I feel like I'm really ready to just join this opportunity, I still just ask God, like, God, just show me, tell me if this is something I should do. And trust me, he will speak back to you. He will speak back to you. It's just all a matter of you listening. So once again, mindset is the first thing. You cannot join any opportunity that you feel like is not for you. Now, if you do that, you just will not be very successful. You cannot say, man, this seems like a scam. Is this a scam? As soon as you join, you questioning it. You're not actually even taking in, like, I have an opportunity now. I have a work from home opportunity now that I can share with other people. I'm going to make this work. I am going to, invest into it, instead of, man, this might be a scam. I'm timid. I don't know if I want to share this with people. If you thinking like that, then you're not gonna be successful. So once again, mindset. Step number 2, dedication. You gotta have dedication. When I say dedication, I mean you have to be up sometimes late at night. You have to be up sometimes early in the morning. I'm not even gonna say sometimes. Majority of the time, you have to be working until you get to the point where you could just literally put everything, I'm gonna get to one of these steps in a second, on autopilot. And sorry, I keep looking over here because I see this little notification where I keep getting paid. Sorry guys, it's just one of those things, when you see money, you're gonna keep looking at it. But I'm gonna try to focus. So dedication is one of those things where you have to just basically work hard until you get to the point where you can put all of this stuff on autopilot, which I will get to on one of these next steps. But you have to set everything up. You have to just build. You have to just keep going. You have to start somewhere. Everybody starts somewhere. People don't. Now you might have a few people who can just jump into an opportunity and just make money out the gate with it. But everybody's not like that. You have to have dedication. Even those people had to have some type of dedication before in another opportunity where they wasn't successful. Like myself, I remember, guys, I was in an opportunity where I was not very successful, but I learned a lot of things just from that one particular opportunity. And I took what I learned and placed it in different network opportunities. And once again, I put all of the things that I learned together and started making money with different opportunities, because you learn, guys. You absolutely learn. What leads me to my third step. You have to learn from mistakes. You have to learn from different people. You can't do everything on your own. That was my problem. I didn't want to reach out to people. I didn't want to ask people like, hey man, how did you do this? Hey man, what is that you can do? You can literally just, like, if you see somebody on your social media that is actually being successful, all you have to do is ask. The Bible say, ask and it should be given to you, which I believe in truly. So if you ask somebody like, how are you doing this? Or how can I get started? Or how can, this benefit me? They will tell you. They will. You have to learn from different people, different experiences, different mistakes. You just have to learn. Don't keep doing the same thing over and over and over, because you will not get any results. If this don't work, try something. Like, if one method don't work, try another method. Try another method. Until you get that one method that actually works. Don't just sit on one method. If, like, for instance, with me, Facebook ads don't work for me. So it wouldn't make sense for me to keep putting money into Facebook ads if I'm not getting results with it. But Instagram ads work with me, so I found a strategy and method that works. So invest into what works. It's okay to invest into different things, but if you're not profiting off of it, don't do it. Because then you're going to go back to step one, the mindset, and say, this is not working for me. This is not working. This is not working. And that's just because you haven't changed, you haven't learned from your mistakes. You have to change that thought and go to something different. Which leads me to my next step. Step 4. What a lot of people fail to realize and understand when it comes to network marketing: do not just send people directly to the opportunity or your website. What do I mean by this? So when I was coming up as a network marketer, nobody told me about capture pages. What is a capture page? A capture page is a form, you've probably seen it before, where you have to put in your phone number, name, and email in order to get a certain type of information. Now, why you don't want to send them directly to your page and your opportunities? Because what the capture page actually does is help build your email list, which leads me to my 5th tip, is building a huge email list. Now, you might be thinking to yourself like, yeah, I actually have put in my name. Yes, you have, and that's how you are getting all of these emails from different people. Why is your email list so important? Because let's say you talked to Bob yesterday, right? And you sent him some information and he had to put in his name, phone number, and email in order to get the information that you sent him. Let's say Bob is not interested in your barbecue business, right? But you have a barbecue business, a seafood business, and let's just say a Jamaican business, guys. I don't know, a Caribbean business. And he doesn't want to join your barbecue business, but you got these other 2 opportunities that he might be interested in. So the email list allows you to send out different emails, offers, or whatever you want to send to them at any time. Because you have their email, you can always send out emails to them and offers, and let's say he don't want to join with this opportunity, but he joined you in this one. So you might have lost him in the first opportunity, but guess what? You sent an automatic email out the next day, and he joined you the next day. That is what is so important about an email list, guys. You could literally offer different opportunities, different ways, and different products, you can put your YouTube videos in there. You could just put whatever you want in these emails, which is on autopilot. You can be doing whatever you want to do. You could be on a beach, you could be with your family, you could be with your kids, you can be asleep. Guess what? Your emails are still going out to people. You don't have to actually be manually sending out emails. So when you hear people talk about autopilot, making money on autopilot, this is what they actually mean. Now, that leads me to my next step 6, which is following up. A lot of people do not answer their phone no more because the robot calls, people calling, scams, and all type of stuff on the phone. So guess what? People are actually checking their text messages and their emails because they don't have to pick up the phone. They can read something and say, oh, this is not something, or, oh, what is this? Boop. That is why following up, email lists, and capture pages all go together. Nobody told me this in the beginning. So you got the capture page, the email list, which leads to the following up. The following up is important. You don't want to just send anybody to a page and expect them to just, join or buy a product or whatever it is that you are offering because you sent it to them. You have to follow up with them. Call them. Well, like I said, the only way you could call somebody is if y'all actually talked and set up a appointment, like, hey, I'm gonna call you on this time, and y'all already done talked about getting on the phone. But I'm not telling you don't call. You can call. Some people will pick up their phone, but a lot of people just don't pick up their phone anymore. So with the following up, you just want to actually talk to them, see what it is. Do they have any questions? Do they want to join? They probably don't know how to join, but want to join. And it just takes one little conversation. One reach out to that person could get you a sale. I had this one person who was just ready to join. They didn't know how to get in contact with me. They didn't know how to start, but they had the money. And guess what all I had to do was just send out a text like, hey man, what did you think about the opportunity? Are you ready to join? And they was like, yeah man, I was just waiting for you to contact me because I'm ready to join. Where do I go? How do I start? That is all it takes, is a follow up. An email or text, and you can try to call them, guys. But I really recommend a text or email so they can see it. And that's step 6, just following up. And helping them get started and helping people, just do what it is they need to do. Now, step 7 is important. You have to act as if. If you don't know me, I am a person who believes in law of attraction. I believe in acting as if. I believe in speaking and thinking whatever it is you want the universe and God to provide for you. So, act as if. Act as if you got 5 sales. Act as if you got 10 sales. But don't stop your hustle. Don't worry. If you worry about not having the sales, that's all you're going to attract. You're not going to want to put out no videos. You're not going to want to make a post on your social media. You're not going to want to share the information with nobody. You're not going to want to do the necessary things it takes to actually get the sale because you're thinking about not having the sale. If you focus on having the sales and acting as if you already have it, then you will attract it. I like how I said that. If you focus on already having it, you will attract it. Okay? So that's what step 7 is. Act as if. Which leads back to step 1, the mindset. All of these things goes together, guys. All of it goes together. So remember, 1 is the mindset. 2 is dedication. 3 is to learn from mistakes and learn different strategies, which work and what don't work. 4 is the capture pages, which, connects with the email list that you want to grow forever and ever and ever. You want a huge email list. We just send out a YouTube video, send out a different opportunity, send out something where people could just get that email and click on it, which leads to the follow-up. You have to follow up with people. Like I said, they might want to join, they might not know how to start, might not know how to reach out to you. So what I would really recommend is to actually put some type of contact information on your pages so they could actually just reach out to you and say, hey, I'm ready to get started, man. Which direction do I go? Which leads to step 7 once again. Act as if, and you will attract it. So those were my 7 tips on how to network market online. You can use this with any business, but right now I am a part of one of the best traveling opportunities there is. If you want more information about it, I will put the link below in the description, guys. It's called iBoomerang. No other travel agent company is better than ours. We have 5-star resorts for 2-star prices, hotels, we got rental cars, flights, week stays, activities, everything that you need, gift cards. We have a lot of things, inventory that we offer, and guess what? The best part about our opportunity is we give it away for free. We give it away for free. And a lot of people don't really believe me, but it's actually true. We give it away for free. It don't cost them anything. We generate them a code. They use the code and get their own free discounted website through one of the TSAs, a Travel Saver Ambassador. That is our job, to help you save on your travel. And we get paid the more we help them save. So, like I said, guys, act as if. It's your opportunity. You can make money with it. Change that mindset, and don't forget that email list. So it's your boy Mark. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all like this content, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell, man, so y'all be the first to know when I drop a video. But other than that, I am out.